The best free VPN for one device is already hard to find, but a free VPN for all devices? I had to search hard to find an option that works well on desktop and mobiles alike. After sifting through a slew of free VPNs that only know how to promise and not deliver, I managed to find 3 great options that you can get without paying. So let's check them out. Oh, and if you're wondering why only 3? Well, a lot of free VPN providers record user data with the intention of selling it, or just leak it straight away like UFO VPN did, exposing millions of logs with IP addresses, passwords, browsing metadata, and more. The data it wasn't even supposed to have in the first place. And some best free VPNs pretend to be all clean and legal while actually supporting criminal activity. I don't know about you, but I'd rather not be caught up in using the same VPN as actual criminals. That's why my standards for a free VPN turned out to be a bit higher than usual, culminating with identifying Proton VPN, Surfshark, and NordVPN as my primary free VPN picks for all devices. Proton VPN in particular is completely free on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, plus it has browser extensions for all the popular browsers. This is one of the best free VPN for PC and mobiles you can find. The provider is based in Switzerland, taking full advantage of that country's privacy laws to avoid state-forced data collection. Proton VPN's free version offers servers in 10 countries, though it chooses one for you, prioritizing the fastest network. You can manually connect to a different server if you want, but only every so often. Plus, Proton's free version also includes a kill switch, a must-have feature that protects your IP address from leaking during connection instability. That said, even though Proton supports all different devices, it can only be used on one at a time, unlike its paid version, which has a generous 10-device limit. And that improvement is not the only thing Proton VPN's premium version offers. The server grid also scales to thousands of servers across 140 countries, and all the additional security features such as ad and tracker blocking NetShield are worth upgrading for. Besides that, Proton's free version is currently not working with streaming or torrenting at all, and the paid version fixes that downside as well. So if you want the best free VPN for Windows, macOS, and other devices, Proton VPN is yours for the taking with a very good deal, which is available through the link in the description below, or scan this QR code. While Proton VPN has a full-time free version, my next pick, Surfshark, is a bit different. It's possible for you to use its full feature list for free, even though it doesn't have a free tier. That's because there's a life hack. You can combine its free trial, money-back guarantee, and referral program to get Surfshark for free indefinitely. You start with a 7-day trial and then get your subscription started. Within the next month, you can invite your friends to try Surfshark out and get a free month for each person who uses your referral code. Boom, extra free time. But is Surfshark even worth jumping through all these hoops for? Well, to begin with, it has all the device and browser support you need. You can hook yourself up with the best free VPN for Android and iPhone in one fell swoop. But that's not the only reason I recommend it. Surfshark is also one of the few providers offering full antivirus protection in one app. Privacy-wise, Surfshark keeps no logs of user activity, a promise that is regularly audited, and it also includes a kill switch to prevent data leaks. But the main reason I use Surfshark on all my devices is unlimited simultaneous connections. I share my account with all my family members and still have more to give. It's very convenient. Of course, Surfshark also doesn't fall off in terms of streaming and torrenting, offering tons of servers all over the world, though I would still pick Proton VPN's premium for torrenting. So if you want to try getting Surfshark completely for free, check the link in the description or scan this QR code to start out with a huge discount. And you can get that money-back guarantee at any point. When it comes to NordVPN, I suggest the same trick here. A combination of a 3-day trial on Android, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a friend referral program can land you unlimited free months, as long as you don't run out of friends. And then you can just make more, win-win. Since we are looking for VPNs for all devices, NordVPN fits here with its full support for all major OS and browsers, alongside their 10-device limit, just like the Proton VPN premium plan. But if that device limit isn't enough, Proton VPN can be installed on a router to cover an entire household on a single device. Unlike Proton, NordVPN offers the best speed performance on the VPN market. Server-wise, it also has a VPN that can cover over 200 locations worldwide, and this performance makes NordVPN a solid VPN for streaming or torrenting. I personally use it even over Proton. The speed is just as good, but the location choices are definitely better. Plus, NordVPN's next-gen antivirus is another good reason to grab it. This feature can block ads even on mobile devices and also removes trackers and prevents access to malicious websites even on iOS. So, if you need a best free VPN for iPhone use, this is the pick. And NordVPN is cheap to get into, even if you do plan to get a refund in the end. The special deal in the description will help save you a lot, or you know the drill, scan the QR code for the same deal. To summarize, if you want a free VPN for a laptop, desktop, and mobiles without the hassle, and you don't mind having a very limited experience, go for Proton. Otherwise, I recommend spending some time and effort to get NordVPN and Surfshark for free, using the tricks I explained in this video. With how much more these providers offer compared to an average free VPN, this route is definitely the better option. Let me know how it goes and maybe share your favorite free VPN with me. I'll be waiting in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See ya.